Hello there, it's David Duffett here at Simwood, back again with another portal video, and this time we're going to be looking at the analysis page. So let's log on with our email address and password, and when we click login, as usual, we find ourselves on the home page. Looking at the navigation down the left hand side, and the third one down is analysis. And when we click that, it brings us to the analysis page. I want to draw your attention immediately over to the right hand side, because this is where we select the time interval that we're going to look at. And as you can see, it's defaulted to looking at just today's traffic. I'm going to drop that back just a couple of days, so I've got 2 or 3 days worth of call traffic to look at, and you can see that we're currently showing the outbound traffic. So I can drop down either the start or the end time of the selected time interval, and I can choose outbound traffic, or if I click again it will go to the inbound traffic. But before I do any of that, I want to come back over here and show you the tabs. Now we're currently grouped by country. I could change that to by destination or by trunk or by tag, but I'm happy to stick with country, and so you can see we've got a big country breakdown of all of this outbound traffic. If I click over, it will show us the inbound traffic, and you can see the inbound traffic is not from so many countries. I'm going to go back to the outbound traffic, so we've got a little bit more to look at, and you can see there's all sorts of different countries listed down there. But if I was just interested in one of the countries, let's say the United Kingdom, I can click on that and then it will filter simply for that country, and I've got all of the relevant figures there. So the figures are on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side we've got some graphical representations. We've got the history in terms of average call duration, and then we've got a breakdown in 3 different ways. We've got the breakdown of the calls, the minutes, and the charge breakdown as well. I'm just going to go back to showing everything because I wanted to come back over here and just show you the colour separation on these pie charts as well. So if we look at the charges breakdown, you can see that the orange is the United Kingdom, and then over here the 10.5% shows all the other destinations. So a comprehensive set of data for you to look at, easily filtered on the time interval, inbound or outbound traffic, and then by country, destination, trunk or tag. And if you've got it on country, you can then filter that right down for any particular country that you wanted to look at. To log out, it's as simple as clicking over here and then choosing log out. And there we are. We've had a look at the analysis tab. I'll see you in another video another time, and if you look around here you'll find there are other portal videos explaining the other things that can be done within the Simwood portal. Thanks very much. Bye bye.